President Museveni alagidde ab'ebyokwerinda okukwata buli agenda ayogera ebitakwatagana ku nfa y'omugenzi abadde Sipiika Jacob Oulanyah. Bino abyogedde kye bajje bamaliriza okulonda Sipiika Anita Among n'omumyuka we Thomas Tayebwa Kololo. Museveni agamba nti abantu abamala googera ku kufa kwa Oulanyah balina okuyambako mu kunoonyeza kuba balabika baliko kye bamanyi.
Taking advantage of problems to make cheap politics. And actually we are going to go for them, because I have heard some people saying that, oh, some people killed Oulanyah. Oulanyah was killed. The police are going to come and say, okay, you tell us, you seem to have some information.
Ategeeza nti bakimanyi Oulanyah yatwalibwa mu ddwaliro erisinga ebbeeyi mu nsi yonna e Seattle mu America, naye yeewuunya abantu ababungeesa engambo.
Because Oulanyah did not die in a private home. He died in a highly reputable hospital. And before that, he was in another big hospital in Dubai. And before that, he was in our hospitals here, including the Cancer Institute. Everything is there. I did not know that Oulanyah was sick until when he went to Dubai. That's when I checked and I knew what the problems were.
Ategeeza nti Oulanyah era yatwalibwako ne ku Uganda Cancer Institute nga tannatwalibwa mu America.
So, for somebody, especially somebody who is educated, and we're supposed to be like a leader, to go and say, you must come and help the police, because you seem to know what we don't know.
President Museveni asabye abawangudde obutakola bikujjuko nga bajaganye kubanga eggwanga likyali mu kukungubaga okwabadde Sipiika Jacob Oulanyah nga tannaziikibwa.
The Banyankole would be scandalized if they saw us doing what we are doing now in a Josi. They would think that we are witch something. We are witches. Tukungura, we are bringing bad luck to the country. But this is the consequence of copying European things blindly. I think we should really find a way of sorting it out so that in future we don't have the same madness of somebody is not buried. We are here engaged in elections. So I therefore appeal to you, please don't celebrate now. Don't go and celebrate Anita Among, Tayebwa, please.
President Museveni ayogedde ku mugenzi ng'abadde agatta abantu mu kitundu gy'abadde avanga kwe kwavudde abaayo okwagala ekifo kino kibaddire naye bwe babadde ng'akabondo ne bakkiriziganya era abaganye okweyawulamu okusinziira mu bitundu gye bava naye beerabe nga bannayuganda.
Don't look at yourselves again as Acholi, Lango, Western Nile. Look at yourself as Ugandans. Go beyond that regionalism and look at yourself as Ugandans and as Africans.
Era agambye nti yategeddeko nti abantu bayitiridde okusabiriza ababaka bano n'abawa amagezi abalonzi babagasse pulogulaamu za gavumenti ezibajja mu bwavu ng'enkola ya parish model wamu n'ey'emyoga.
In order to save yourselves economically, emotionally, not to be so much stressed by supporters who beg from you, but also politically.
Obedi Utale, ne lwekyo nakasibe okusakidde guno ku Bukedde TV.